You'll be alright, alright, alright.
Good day, everyone. It's Lala Sash Shaver here. Hope everyone's having a wonderful day. It is Friday. Friday. Did I just do that? Sorry. I'm kind of happy today. So as you can tell, this is not a shave video. I have not shaved yet today. I've been waiting for a reason. This is day and a half growth right now. It's a mail call video. I have had some issues with Canada Post, had some delays in some mail calls, so I've got 3 smaller mail calls I'm going to do for you guys, and then 1 big mail call that I've been waiting and excited for. So the first one, my buddy JB over at Distorted Shaving had borrowed my silver tip razor rock, try it out, see what he thought of it. He sent that back. But of course, we're wet shavers, right? So when we send stuff back to guys or ship stuff around, it's not always by itself. So JB very nicely sent me some samples of Zingari Man. Should be a magician if I'm reading backwards properly. Again, Zingari Man Troubadour. And I'm very excited for this. One of my favorite artisans. Highland Springs Soap Co.'s collaboration with Stonefield Shaving. They're sipping by the fire. This will probably be my shave. Very excited for this one. So that's the first samples from JB. So thank you, Max. I haven't tried any of these. They've all been highly on my list. So I do appreciate it. The next one, sorry, I don't like showing that, is from a gentleman, Anthony Baker on CWS, and we did a trade. He's bigger mitts than me. He really wanted a 4-inch carve handle, so I traded for the 3-inch. You know what? That fits me really nice, it looks like. So I'm looking forward to using this too. It's a very nice handle. Thanks again, Anthony. Oop, almost dropped this, sorry. The next one is from Chris over at Highland Springs. Chris and I have had some really good chats. He knows, and it's not hidden that I'm a fan of his product. I really do enjoy it. So we were talking about soaps we both haven't used, like to try. Chris said he had some. So he sent me some samples, along with this very nice note. Really appreciated it. I'm going to pull this out of here. Ooh, make a mess. So the first one Chris sent me was his own. I've been asking about it. Havana Veja, I think is how you say that. If I said it wrong, I apologize. Sent me the soap and a splash sample. I'm looking forward to this. I may be one of the few YouTubers who's not tried Ariana and Evans. It's been on my hit list to buy. Chris found out from our conversation. So he sent me a few. He sent me Grecian Horse. And he sent me Asian Plum Soap and Splash. So I'm really looking forward to these. They smell amazing. Just give me 1 second, please. Sorry about that. Don't know if I'll ever get through a video without someone coming to the door. Guess that's what happens when you're dad of 3 girls, right? So, I have 3 bathrooms. Don't get it. That's okay. So I have the mail call. Just wanted to thank Chris again for that. That's awesome. I'm looking forward to trying all those. This is the big one that came today. This is the one I'm excited about all those. Yeah, this is awesome. So, I have to bend up and down. There's a lot here. I'll try to do this quickly so this isn't a long video, okay? Maybe I'll say it in front of me. I don't even know where to start. So let's start with the easy stuff. Actually, no. Let's start with the thing that started all this. Oh, I forgot to fix that. Oops. The lighting. Sorry about the lighting on this video, guys. So this all started because of this whole mail call. I was looking for a different style of straight. I want to try something a little different grind. So I was offered this from a friend. So I made notes here to make sure I get this all right because I was shaking. I was so excited earlier. It took me a couple hours to calm down. So this is a shell Corvian leather handmade case for it. Super soft. Like, I can't believe that. The razor itself, that is in there. You guys can see that. Beautiful. It is a 7/8 wedge from about 1830. Sorry, I'm gonna make my notes here. It's an 1830 old type R. Sheffield wedge and dyed blue buckeye maple scales, and it even has a silver wedge right there, an actual silver wedge for it. It was restored by, I think it says Silver Love Customs. It was a full restoration. So this is what started this whole mail call for me. I'm so excited to use this. We'll be bringing it out this weekend for sure. I opened this up, to be honest. The reason I'm not vibrating like crazy, right? I opened this up, I'm gonna be honest, about 3 hours ago, 4 hours ago. Came home for lunch. Yeah. I've been able to calm down a bit, okay? So that's awesome. A surprise part of this for me was this straight razor. Didn't know it was coming. Again, it's a leather storage case. And this one I had to definitely figure out what it was. It's a 13/16 J.R. Torrey extra hollow. And these are the original honey blonde ram scale horns. Beautiful, very beautiful razor, and I'm very honored and excited just to have this show up. You don't usually get something like that just given to you. It means a lot, especially if you're passionate about these, and I've really started to get passionate about straights. Prefer to use them if I can, just don't have as much time to enjoy them as much. So then there's these bad boys. Another newer is coming, the Schick E-Type, fully cased in immaculate condition. It's just beautiful. So that's the E-Type. Never actually used a Schick before, believe it or not. So I was very excited to buy that from him. He also surprised me with that. The adjustable. Another one. Love this community, love the people. It's awesome. You know, people just go above and beyond, right? So I'm very happy. I just don't know where to go, guys. I'm trying to go down the list here, okay? As I keep looking down and looking in this box. So there's the injector E-Type. There's the Schick adjustable. The E-Type's, of course, made in Canada. It's got the original injector key, everything. So it's really, really cool. Original case. Then got an Ever Ready 1912 gem style, made in England. Beautiful case. He sent a whole bunch of blades with it too. This thing's mint. And I don't see plate loss anywhere. It's absolutely amazing. It just blows my mind away. Again, awesome razor. That one I knew was coming. 1 second, please. Break 2. Didn't know this is coming. This is a nice fully cased, age appropriate Gillette new long comb. It's in excellent condition. Look at the plating on that for the gold plating. That was a nice unexpected surprise. I'd actually given mine away. I was thinking about getting it into finding another one again. What do you say, man? I mean, people just generosity was awesome. It's very awesome. I was very overwhelmed earlier. I was actually talking to this gentleman on the phone when it showed up in the mail. So he stayed with me on the phone while I opened this. I couldn't even barely write these notes. My hand was shaking so much. I was so excited. He also threw in, which I do have one of these already, but it's awesome, English tech. I do find the quality of the English British techs are way better than the North American ones. They feel heftier, even though the handle's smaller. It's not hollow. It's got more weight. I think they're also a little more aggressive. The U.S. fan handle techs now, they're pretty mild. But these are beautiful. Again, another freebie. I didn't know it was coming. So, he also, I had given this to him for honing and to give to someone who wanted to get into straight razors, but he sent it back to me. So it is fully honed and ready to go. So it's a ZY. I will, it's a 430, sorry. I'll use it. I want to try the edge on this. And then I will probably find somebody who wants to get into straight razor shaving, and I will piff this onto them too. This one, it was just a return from him. I sent him just to take a peek at it. It was the custom my wife had made for me 2 years ago that's just not salvageable. So he gave me a few ideas. The gentleman who sent this back to me and everything. We're going to shadow box it, make a nice display behind me on the wall there. I think it'll be pretty cool. Past that, a whole bunch of blades. Gem style blades obviously to use. A whole bunch of DE type blades that either I hadn't used or that I liked. So pass those all on to me. There's one final thing. Excuse me. I knew this was coming. I paid for this. It wasn't a piff part. I didn't realize how beautiful it actually was. Or I was completely getting. You can see it. It's a custom made strop. Handmade in Edmonton, Alberta by Scott McPherson. Scott, if you watch this video, buddy, I know you're on CWS with me. You did an awesome job on this. I can't believe this was resold to me, but I guess the gentleman is getting out of straight razors, right? He's focusing mainly on DEs now. So this is amazing quality. I'm just going to hang this guy's... I'm going to show you real quick, close up if you can see the hardware on there. It's all removable. It's a beautiful quality strop. Also, if you see all the edges here are beveled and sealed. Really is an amazing quality strop. So the strop itself, it's made of English bridal leather. I have to make sure I get to all the notes on this. It's full cotton canvas webbing, obviously. He did preload it again for me with some chromium oxide. I have some, but I was more welcome to have him do that for me. Everything is true nickel hardware on it. All these pieces here. This is nickel plated right here. Stainless steel up top. And it's just beautiful. Absolutely wicked. It's a million times past what I have already. I can't wait to use it. I'm scared to use it. I'm scared to even... Don't nick it. So, I'm just... Today, after fighting to get my mail and everything, and also everything just came in today, It's amazing. It's a hell of a day. I'm shaving tonight. I don't night shave. I'm shaving tonight. And I'm shaving pretty much all the stuff this weekend. Probably a couple videos coming out after this one for you guys too. So, there's my mail call. I love it. I hope you saw some really cool stuff in it too. Have a wonderful day. Happy shaving, everyone. I look forward to seeing you soon in the next video. Take care.